paste it on your PyCharm project. Now run the file and thus you are having, and as always I will be using PyCharm for this, which is a very good idea. After pasting all the code and installing PyCodify, you have to finally click on the run. Nowadays, most of the people uses vscode as an IDE instead of PyCharm. But as you guys know, I use PyCharm as I make Python projects. But now, I'm shifting to vscode. But why? Let's ask Google.
I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I lose you if I didn't. Till we find what we're missing and compromise. So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can't wait for a single reason not to say goodbye.
I hope now you could understand why I started using VS Code. Like, it's now the most used IDE for all time. So let me show you guys what I did after installing VS Code. I did nothing. I just programmed a functional typewriter system by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you want to see that program, just go to my GitHub profile. You will get the repository there. So here is the ending of the video. I just made the video to announce that I don't use PyCharm anymore. I started using VS Code. It's very easy to learn. That's why I started using it. So if you liked the video, please hit the like button and please consider subscribing. And I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye and take care.